Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Today is February 4. And it's Zeb's birthday. So, meron kaming surprise sa kanya. Akala well, si Zach din, so wala silang idea. Ang alam nila, papasok sila sa school. But, hindi. So, aalis kami ng normal time namin na 8:30. Papasok. Pero, aalis kami. We're going to South Center Mall, which is malayo sa amin. Nasa kabilang side. Kasi nasa north kami. Nasa south yun. Mga 30 minutes na drive. Kasi may bagong bukas doon na parang mala time zone, pero mas malaki. May bowlingan, may restaurant din, and everything. But, yun, this week, ang malas this week ay the coldest so far. Minus 23, minus 26, pero feels like minus 30 something. So, hindi ganun kakapal ang snow for the past few days, but it's still very, very cold. Ayan. So, ayan, ito na lang yung last, I think ito na yung last week or last stretch ng winter, and then we are gonna slowly transition to summer. And, thankful kasi hindi namin naranasan yung, well, mahirap magsalita ng tapos, baka dumating. Pero, based sa forecast, wala naman. Yung katulad last year, yung time ng birthday ko last year, minus 40, 50. So, buti naman hindi natin naranasan this year yun. Pero malamig pa rin. Ang sakit niyan sa balat kapag saglit ka lang sa labas. Kailangan covered ka talaga. Kaya pag nagsusundo kami sa kanila sa school. Kasi si Zach, ang labasan niya 3:05. Si Zeb 3:10. So, si Daddy naiwan sa sasakyan. Ako yung unang lumabas. Kinuha ko si Zach. Tapos punta kami sa sasakyan. Tapos si Daddy naman alis. Kunin niya si Zeb. Hintayin siya saglit. Pag narinig na yung bell, saka siya lalabas. Tapos, ayun, para di kami nagstay ng matagal sa labas. Anyway, so, mamaya mag-vlog ako sa sasakyan pag paalis na kami. And we'll see anong reaction ng dalawa. Pero po si Zach kanina pa yun, sabi niya, I think we're not going to school. Mga ganun. Bumabalat. Nakaka-feel siya. So, we'll see. Okay, what is that? Good morning, birthday boy! How does it feel to be 11?
No different.
No difference?
Yes. I'm sleepy.
Sit properly naman, Zach.
I'm sleepy.
We're here na sa school.
It's negative 21 degrees, bro. It's negative.
24.
Never mind, 24 changed. Yeah.
Kunwari lang kami, dadaan pa kami dito sa eskwelahan nila. Are you excited, Zeb?
For what?
To go to school?
I think so.
You think so? Huh?
I get a lollipop? Sure.
You get a lollipop?
Yes.
Oh.
Birthday boys get lollipop?
Birthday boys get lollipop?
Who that has birthdays on school days?
Oh, okay.
Just illegally parked.
What?
No. Illegally parked. No.
No.
Don't.
So,
Legally parked.
I guess you're not gonna have lollipops today.
You're not going to school? Bro!
We pranked you!
I knew it! I told you!
Kanina pa yung nakakaramdam siya sakit.
I knew it! I knew it!
What were your theories? Kanina she said, I'm just theorizing.
Okay, first of all, we normally give cookies for our cat cookie, extra school, and extra food when we're going away for lunchtime. And
We're going to somewhere fun.
You can go after school.
Huh? I already told Mr. Strand that you're not going today. Yeah. I told him.
For nothing.
I told him.
Thank you.
Keep it a secret, and Mr. Strand said, "Don't worry, your secret's safe with me."
Now we're going there. This was my
Summer
theory.
fun.
We normally feed Cookie extra food, like when we're going away for a long time, and I saw him give more food than usual.
And what else?
I still saw food in the bowl, so it was extra.
What other?
Okay. And then
Telltale
she
sign.
didn't really. They didn't really prepare my food early. I was like, are we actually going to school today? Because they don't really prepare my food early. And why would they rarely decide to deliver it at my school, even though it's super cold and freezing? So that. And I was like, yeah, we're probably doing something else besides school. But then they were like, nah.
Was Daddy working too in the morning?
South Center, ba?
Yeah.
So yeah, that was my theory, and I was right. No.
Zach has the senses, the spidey senses.
What do you mean? It's not even how it works. It's not how spidey senses work.
Anyways, yeah, we're getting ready.
That's not how spidey senses work.
Okay. Yan, dito na kami. We're just looking for IHOP. It's 9, magka 10 o'clock. So, 1 hour, 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes yung travel namin kasi it's snowing. Madulas ang daan, kailangan dahan-dahan ka. This is a big mall actually. And first time nila. Ako, second time. Super layo nito sa amin. No, commute kami ni Sheena. 1.5 hours kami sa biyahe or magto 2 hours yata. Saan na yung IHOP? Nakalimutan ko i-vlog guys. Tapos na kami kumain. Dito kami sa IHOP. Hindi ko ba? Ayan, hindi ko na i-vlog eh. Let's go. Yung entrance nila nasa labas ng ng mall, kaya nahanap namin kanina, hindi namin makita sa loob.
What?
Anyways, yeah, we're going back inside. Okay, matanda kami dito ng Decathlon.
Best sports.
OG?
That's the only thing we can play.
Yeah, miss na nila to sa Singapore. Okay, we're here na sa Power Play. Meron inside. Meron silang mga game boxes. Nakita ko merong parang Squid Game, Angry Birds, basta parang virtual kineme. And then meron siyang usual arcade. And meron din doon na bowlingan. May sinihan din sila dito inside. So, yeah. Ewan ko kung kita yung mga prices, but yeah, that's the price. Ayan, so parang kami lang tao today, or at this time, kasi nga naman it's a school day. So, yan. Dito pala yung actual restaurant nila. Okay, tapos na kami sa arcade. So, Dad is paying for the box. Game box. Immersive game box. Magsusuot ng mga ganito. Yan. Squid Game, I think. Are we gonna play Squid Game?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm not dying.
We're getting crepe. Ay, we're done na pala dun sa ano, hindi ko na na-vlog. But, yeah. Zach, is that what are you gonna have?
Huh?
What is your order?
Oh, cookies and cream. Whatever.
With Nutella crepe with cookies and cream na gelato inside. We're home na. We got this. It's a
I think we all know what old name, but
ang mga tipo niya lang is mga plain shirt. For now, he likes plain white shirt.
yeah.
And then a black na cargo pants. He also got some, as usual.
Of course, jokes.
Yeah, I can.
Better
Focus.
let them see the code or something, and then they
Won't see the code.
Yeah, I know,
it's
but
still
still.
covered. And we got Starbucks. Siyempre, damay din kami. Where's your Starbucks?
aka Moon Money.
What's your flavor? Ice matcha latte.
I don't know the name of it.
Okay. Cookie! We missed you! Zoomies. Anyway, yeah. It's, ano oras na? 4:18. Maliligo.
Hey, guys.
Yung dalawa. Oh,
We skipped school.
I know. They know.
They tricked us.
They know. Because I already said
Excuse me?
in the vlog.
Ugh.
So, give me a review of that. Okay, so this Zach's drink
Okay.
is ice matcha.
Hello guys, today we're going to be reviewing the ice matcha latte.
Okay, I'm gonna tell them what I added. So there's salted caramel
That's what I
foam,
readily saw.
and then 3 brown sugar syrup, 3 pumps of brown sugar syrup, and oat milk ang base.
Okay,
So, What's your review?
Okay,
Give me how many stars?
so this is 4.9 stars.
4.9.
Very sweet. I don't want diabetes.
It's very
I
sweet.
don't want to be fat. Well, I mean, it's Starbucks, of course. Basically, a lot of
And then,
Starbucks. I
you
mean,
don't want it na?
I do. It's not like very, very,
Uh-oh.
very sweet.
What's happening
It's
to
just
Cookie?
good sweet.
Good sweet?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now let's try. Well, actually, I've tried this. This is my second time na to order this, what they call the Dubai chocolate version ng Starbucks. So, this is a venti ice matcha latte with chocolate cream cold foam, 3 pumps of classic syrup, and 4 pumps of pistachio sauce. And then I used oat milk also for the base. Yung first order ko pala, I used non-fat milk. Kasi mga napapanood ko sa TikTok. So, ginaya ko. And, parang lang masyado happy dun sa non-fat. I feel like yung oat milk is the best. So, it's my first time having this with oat milk. Yeah, I think it's much better. I'm trying to experiment, or like I'm trying to try out different ice matcha latte drinks. Kasi time ko na rin try ng mga iced coffee recipes na nakukuha ko sa TikTok. So yung yung order ni Zach ngayon, na-try ko na rin siya. And I feel like mas gusto ko yun kesa dito. Feeling ko lang. Nakatry ako ng Dubai na chocolate. Pero hindi yung original. Ano lang din, parang small business na they make their own. And nakabili ako one time. And, ayun nga, I think it's what everyone is saying na it's overhyped, yung Dubai chocolate. Pero let's see, kasi I haven't tried the original one. Baka talaga yung original, masarap na masarap. So, yeah, anyways, if you haven't seen, I uploaded a separate video, parang OOTD, Valentine's Day outfit ideas with Firmoo. Ayan. So, hindi ko maalala kung nung first collab namin is nakwento ko rito. But yeah, they reached out to me last year. Nag-collab kami and I made one video. Tapos, nag-reach out sila ulit sa akin for Black Friday and yeah, Black Friday sales. Nag-reach out sila sa akin and they wanted to, grabe naman, buhol-buhol yung buhok ko. They wanted to send me two sunglasses. Like, ako yung mamimili from their website. So, nakapili ako and all that. Tapos, syempre, sa mga collab na ganyan, merong deadline kung kailan mo ipopost in video. But, unfortunately, yun yung time na nag-strike yung post office. So, hindi dumating sa akin on time yung sunglasses. Hindi naman din nila ako dinemand na mag-post. Kasi, I think they're aware. So, nung dumating sa akin yung glasses, tapos na yung Black Friday and all of that. And then, hindi ko na-expect, sabi ko na, kung hindi na siguro magko-collab sa akin kasi hindi ako nakapag-post. Hindi ko na-meet yung deadline nila last time. But it's out of my control din naman. So, tapos nagulat ako, nag-reach out sila sa akin ulit for Valentine's collab. And they asked me to pick 2 sunglasses again. So, sure, why not? Kasi based on na first na in-order ko or first na nakuha ko, is I like it naman. Nandito siya. So, this was the first one that I got. Ginawa ko to ng video na i-post ko din yan. Pak! Tapos yung natanggap ko ng Black Friday, nasa babae. Pero yun. Pero yung isa nga doon, inano ko na panglalaki. Yung parang pwede sa panlalaki para magamit ni Daddy. Pero hindi naman niya ginagamit din. And then this Valentine's Day collab, ginawa kong girlish kasi nga kailangan kong gawa ng outfit of the day. Or mga outfit ideas. Yun yung requirement dun sa ano. So, I'm gonna share with you. Kung hindi nyo pa kasi napanood yung video na yun separately, I'll show you what I got. Ito yung mga pinili ko. And, pak! And then, the magical thing. Yung ano nito, yung unique thing, although hindi ko naman sabing unique kasi yung ibang brands din merong ganito, is pwede siyang tanggalin. And, yan, magnetic lang siya. So, ito yung magnets. And kasi, you can also do prescription. So, kung may grado yung mata nyo, this could be like clear. Tapos, eto, pagkalalabas kayo. So, but sa akin, parang black on black, sobrang dark na talaga. So, pag sobrang sikat ang araw, yan, magdoble ka. Pero, kahit ito lang, okay lang. Meron ding ibang kulay din pala. Yung ano, tama ba? Merong blue, tsaka purple. Pero, pinili ko kasi black. Tapos, eto, talagang black lang siya. So, black on black. Ang grabe talagang super dilim na. And then, the other one is, ito, super like ko din to. Ito naman siya. Pink yung ano niya dito. Ano ba to? Ganyan. And, it's the same concept. 1, 2, 3, pak! And I like it. Tapos, dito naman purple gray. Tapos, medyo gradient din siya sa baba. Pero, ito, full coverage. Foundation. Full coverage. So, yan. I like it. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng shades na affordable, yes, charot. Meron kasi akong coupon code, 50% off on the frames na ililink ko sa baba. Kung ano yung link na nasa baba, if you use my code, 50% off. So, Yun lang, share ko lang. If you want to, walang pilitan. Charot. So, yeah. Anyways. Yun. Hindi ko na alam. Pahinga na. I'm so tired. Pero wala pa. Kami pareho di daddy, wala pa kami pasok bukas. Pero, yung dalawa, syempre, babalik sila sa school. And, yeah. Puno na naman ang weekend ko kasi I started volunteering sa public library. Actually, last year pa to. Last year pa ako nag-orientation, July. Tapos, hanggang sa after na orientation, hindi na sila nag-reach out again. So, akala ko parang walang, hindi nila kailangan, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, nung last 2 weeks ago, nagparamdam nga. Sabi nung isang parang coordinator, sabi niya, oh, sorry, that's my fault. Nakalimutan niya na overlook niya. So, in-schedule ako for orientation and first day nung Sunday. Tapos, tinatanong nga ako kung kailan ko kailangan nila fix na schedule. Eh, mas gusto ko sana Sabado na lang instead of Sunday. Kaso, minsan, may work ako ng Sabado. Like, this coming Saturday, may work ako. So, sinabi ko yon, sabi nila, as much as possible, need nila yung fixed na schedule para basta siguro maayos yung schedule. So, kung hindi daw makapasok ng Sabado, or makaka-volunteer ng Sabado, mag-take daw ako ng Sunday shift. Talagang sa pilitan yun. So, parang wala akong pahinga kasi mag-work ako dire-diretso hanggang Sabado may work. Tapos Sunday mag-volunteer ako tapos work na naman. Pero, nag-apply ka as volunteer ngayon, hindi ka makano. Pero kasi tagal na nun eh, July pa last year. So, parang after a while, nawala na yung momentum sa akin na parang ayoko na. Pero in a way, okay lang din kasi parang experience to for early childhood. Kasi nga, ang volunteer composition is for kids. For kids. So, technically, you'll be in the library, nandun sa may kids banda na section. You'll just engage, play, and chat with the kids na willing. So, meron naman kaming suot na parang volunteer vest. So, alam ng mga magulang na hindi lang ako some stranger na nakikipag-usap sa mga anak nila. So, pag naka-vest ka naman ng volunteer, alam na, okay, safe ka naman dyan. Mga ganun. Anyway, so, yun guys. Dami ko ng dada. Mahaba na to. Laters! Hey guys! Ayun na, mag 7:15 na. Tapos na kami mag-dinner. Mga nakaligo na din. Grabe, struggle is real maligo. Pero no choice tayo. And yeah. As you can see, ewan ko nakikita nyo, nag-DIY ako ng highlight sa hair ko. Pero, hindi siya super halatang highlight. Iba siya. Pero, pwede na. Kasi nga, malapit na yung graduation namin, di ba? Sa Feb 22, yung binook ko na graduation photoshoot. Tapos, yung actual graduation namin is Feb 27. So, parang 2 weeks ago, sabi ko, para kung palpak man or what, medyo matagal-tagal pa. Or, yeah, matagal pa yung graduation. So, mga 2 weeks ago yata pa, or 3 weeks ago ako nag-highlight. Bumili ako nung L'Oreal yun eh. Nakalagay talaga highlighting kit. Para i-bleach mo siya. Meron siyang brush na kasama pa. Parang 3 ngipin. Tapos, igaganon mo. Pero kasi at the end, naiirita na ako. Hala, ganun lang din. So, may pachi-pachi yan. Pero okay lang. Pagka nakakulot, hindi naman masyado halata. Kasi magkukulot ako sa actual naman. Para lang iba. Anyways, yung pati makeup, nag-practice makeup na rin ako. Kasi hindi ako makadecide kung magpapa-makeup ba ako or ako na lang. Kasi may mga Pilipino ako nakikita na nag-offer ng makeup services na parang home-based or like sila yung pupunta sa bahay mo. Pero namamahalan ako. Si Jen naman, sa ano siya nag-book sa Sephora. $60 for like an hour of makeup session. Mamahalan pa din ako. So, sabi ko, sige na, magpa-practice ako. Sabi ko, pag ma-happy naman ako sa outcome, ako na lang. Ang pinaka-importante feeling ko yung photoshoot kasi doon ako kasi pag sa photoshoot masyadong maliwanag yung ilaw. Minsan nawawash out yung makeup mo pagka light lang. So, kailangan makapal or what. So, pero hindi ko naman, natatakot ako pag super kapal. Baka naman, alam mo yun? Mayroon bahala na. Most likely, ako na lang magme-makeup. So, yeah. Pati, grabe ang dry skin, lalo na si Zeb. Grabe yung skin niya dito sa sa braso. Tamad kasi mag-lotion. But anyways, let's do our scent of the day. Dati sa TikTok ko, lagi ako nagsi-scent of the day. Pero hindi ko na siya naituloy. But yeah, scent of the night. Ang ating night scent. This is one of my favorites. Fleur Vanilla Skin. Super bango. Super bango talaga. And it gets you compliments. Na-compliment na ako dito multiple times pag ito yung gamit ko. And this is not the type. Ano pala ito? Hair and body mist. So, pwede rin siya sa hair. Ano siya? It's not the sweet type of vanilla. It's more woodsy, musky, and meron siyang pink pepper note. So, minsan talaga yung first spray mo, mapapaubo ka. Pero ngayon, hindi ako naubo. Pero, yeah. Super. I love, love, love. And, meron pa tong bigger bottle eh. Sabi ko, pag naubos, so I might get the bigger one kasi I love it. Medyo dumadami na yung ating collection dyan. At hindi pa lahat yan kasi niro-rotate ko yung spring-summer na scent. Mga spring-summer scents ko nakatabi, nakatago. Kasi pag nilagay ko lahat, feeling ko hindi na magkakasya dito. Like, wala na akong space to put my phone. Kasi dito ko nilalagay yung phone ko pag sa gabi. Yung mga jewelry. So, I had to rotate. So, pagka patak na natin ng spring around late April, early May, yan, itatabi na natin yan. Let me know, guys, if you want me to do a video about my favorite perfumes, favorite scents, or whatnot. I really want to be a perfume content creator. Charot! Pero I feel like hindi naman ganun kagaling yung nose ko to smell. Although it's not a requirement. But yeah, I don't know how to begin, where to start. But yun lang. Anyways, yeah, I think I'm gonna end this vlog kasi ang haba na nitong dada ko today. And baka ang dami ko i-cut. Anyway, thank you for coming with us. Zeb is 11 years old. Grabe, parang hindi ko ma-imagine. 11 years ako siya pinanganak. But, yeah, malapit na siya mag-teenager. Nafe-feel mo na. Actually, ngayon pa lang naman, nafe-feel mo na yung mga changes, mga difference na medyo irritable or ayaw nang sumama. Masusunod sa bahay. Mga ganun. But, it's a phase. Ganun talaga. Anyways, yun guys. Thank you for watching. Siguro next vlog ko sa Sabado. Kasi may field trip kami and ako ulit yung in charge or nakatoka. So, yeah. I'll see you guys on the next one. Good night. Thanks for watching.